Okay, the day is finally here. This big package arrived to me today. It's 14 kilos. It's from France, from VRmodelsport, and I know exactly what's in it. I've been waiting for this package for over a year now. First, I was hoping to get an NRP rival, their new car, but due to some circumstances, unfortunately, they couldn't continue developing that car. Maybe that happens in the future, but I'm really happy that I got in contact with Romain and was offered a spot on their team for 2026. The Phoenix car looks incredible. I've seen many people already receiving their last weekend down in France, and now I have it here in my hands, or not yet. So you will actually be part of opening this package, and you will see it at the same time I see it. So let's see if I can be it's not like I'm shaking, but still I want to be very thoroughly here and not damage anything. This is truly exciting for me. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Look at this. Package slip. Put this on the side here. Okay. A lot of good packaging here. So nothing is going to be ruined. Okay, I'm just going to throw this out of this here. Oh wow, look at this. I can see a car here. I can see a car down here. Wow. Okay, let's see. All the packaging, everything here. Very nicely packaged, so nothing can get damaged in the delivery. It's really nice. Okay, here's something heavy. Connie, okay. So something else in there. I'll put it on the side here. See what happens here. Okay. This is the pipe, Samba pipe, titanium of course. Only want the best and the lightest for this racing car. Okay, put that here. Wow. So, okay, nice wing. It's the MCD wing, I think. If they haven't printed it themselves, no. Should probably be the MCD wing. Okay. This is the air filter. So the cool thing with a Phoenix car is that you can pick your own kind of color scheme. And I picked gray. I think that will turn out great with my, oh, look at that. They put straps here. So it's secured to the bottom of the box. I'll tie that, clip that, okay. That should be it. Oh, I can lift it up. Wow, okay. I'm going to move the box here. It's empty, yes, the box is empty. Oh, wow, look at this, look at this. My name here. Let's just put it this. Oh, wow. I saw someone else having this. Look at this. So, it says Connie here. So, I have my own tagged car. Super cool. Such a beautiful car. I'm just going to stare at it for a while. Steering. So this goes the servo down there. Yeah, you need a double-sided horn there. So the car comes pre-assembled like this, but nothing. There are no Loctites, so they assemble it so they see everything fits together. All the parts are included, and then you actually have to disassemble it yourself and then put Loctite on all the screws, and that way you know you get all these parts. It all sticks together, and it's a really good, I think, quality control to do it like that. But you are still have to put it together yourself, so you figure out and get to know your car and how to wrench with it. I think that's a great way to do it. And wow, I'm kind of a little bit just looking at it. I've been seeing it so many times online, but having a brand new car in front of you with this build quality, it's really something. This is a really nice car. So put it here. I got another box here that I need to check out what's in here. Let's see if I can open this. Okay, so I ordered a lot of spare parts. Oh, wow. Thanks, Romain. Is it Romain? I don't know. I had French in school, but I shouldn't butcher the language. Team driver, Connie. Oh, wow. So there's so much attention to detail. Look at this. Yeah, the gray is perfect with my color scheme I have on my car. Super happy. This is a really nice plastic. So you can see it's kind of a little bit rubbery. Yeah, this fits great. And they 3D print all that stuff. So as I said, I wanted to have some more spare parts, other, I don't remember all the stuff I actually ordered. Oh yeah, this is the quick release for the starter. That's great. I ordered some other springs, sway bars, another airbox. Always good to have a spare out there, hinge pins, shock towers, gaskets, arms. Oh yeah, and this is great. This is awesome. So I'll see if I can unpack this. Oh, so much good stuff here. So this is a mount for when you work with your shocks. Put it like that. Look at that. Oh, very clever, very clever. So legs, you put your shocks here, but you can and the caps here, but you can also put your diffs upside down. And as I said, it has my name on it as well. Connie Svensson. Sounds maybe stupid, but it is kind of cool to see your name on a car. Oh, that's right. That's right. So talking about name, the wheel nuts. Okay, I'll see if I can unscrew one here. Look at that. This is Connie Svensson, VRmodelsport That's attention to detail. That's how you make someone very happy when they receive their car, having their names on it. So yeah, I think that's it. I've unpacked it. I think I've seen everything. Now I really just need to digest this and really take it all in, look at all the details. And I will provide a lot of content the coming weeks as I disassemble the car and then reassemble it again. Make special videos about particular parts. I will try to do some 3D videos as well that I've done before in my build videos. I know those are pretty appreciated. Try to analyze also from a design perspective what I like and interesting details, because I really liked the geek in on the mechanics and engineering of these cars as well. I'm going to look forward to that. And right now I'm just going to stare at this for a while, take it in, and see you in the next one.